What's up, YouTube? Jeff, your Style O.G. And on today's video, we're going to talk about the 10 most popular colognes of 2019. If you're new to the channel, we release a new video every day at 4 p.m. Eastern, discussing various men's lifestyle topics such as style, grooming, and dating. I invite you to subscribe, tap that notification bell, and join us. And to my returning friends like Trey F. Kennedy, salute. Now, being a popular cologne can be a good thing or a bad thing. The fact that it's popular means a lot of people like the way it smells. You're going to get a lot of compliments. It's going to be one that a lot of people like. But on the other hand, it's very popular. A lot of people are going to wear it, and it's not necessarily going to make you stand out from the crowd. But I don't always think that's a bad thing. A popular cologne that a lot of people like the way it smells tends to not be so obnoxious and put off a lot of people either. So these can be fail-safe colognes. Now, on the list of the colognes that are the most popular for 2019, most of these are going to be ones that a lot of guys can rock. But there are a couple standout ones that are a little bit stronger that I will make note of when we get to them. And of course, I'm going to have a link in the description if you want to try any of these fragrances out for yourself. So without any further delay, let's get into this list of the 10 most popular colognes for 2019. Now, first on the list, we have a cologne that came out in 2012 that's strong, intense, youthful, and bright, Versace Arrows. Now, this is going to be one of the ones on the list that does stand out. It's a little stronger, people will take note of it. It's a combination of mint oil, green apple, lemon, cedar wood, vetiver, and it also has a little bit of vanilla. Now, this one, like I said, strong, youthful, powerful. And a lot of people suggest that younger guys wear it, but I think it's suitable for the young and the young at heart. This is one I highly suggest for nighttime and for going out. Next up, we have a woody aromatic scent that's masculine, powerful, and distinctive. Came on the scene in 2015. I'm talking about Dior Sauvage. Now, this manly woody scent is a combination of top notes of bergamot, mid notes of pepper, and base notes of ambroxy. This one is distinctive, raw, fresh, and manly, and highly complimented, and of course, super popular. A hit since its release 4 years ago, and it continues to be a top seller in 2019. Next up, we have a fresh, woody, and bright scent that has not left my rotation since its release in 2006. I'm talking about YSL Malone. Now, this is a sensual, smooth scent that's a combination of bergamot, vetiver, cedar, and ginger. To me, this one is mature, timeless, and elegant. I've been rocking it for almost 13, 14 years, and I don't see any reason to stop. One that the ladies love, and obviously we love buying it too. It's been a hit every year, and it's still popular in 2019. Next up on our list of the most popular colognes this year is the splurge choice, and obviously one guys don't mind paying a couple extra bucks for. I'm talking about Tom Ford Oud Wood. Now, this is a masculine, sexy scent that dropped in 2007. It's a combination of top notes of rosewood and cardamom, mid notes of oud wood, sandalwood, and vetiver, and base notes of tonka bean and amber. Smoky, warm, exotic, one of my favorite for the cold weather seasons, and obviously a popular splurge pick, a hit since it came out 12 years ago, and still popular in 2019. Now, next up, we have a strong, powerful scent that I have to be honest is probably one of my favorite scents, if not my most favorite of the last 6-7 years. I'm talking about Victor & Roth's Spice Bomb. Now, like I said, this one is spicy, warm, and explosive. A combination of top notes of bergamot, pink pepper, and grapefruit, mid notes of cinnamon, saffron, and chili pepper, and base notes of leather, vetiver, and tobacco. This one is powerful. This one is warm. This one is intense. And this one is an absolute hit. Never goes out of my cool weather rotation, and obviously you guys love it too. One of the most popular 2019. Next up, we have a spicy, aromatic, fresh green scent that's been a hit since its release in 2012. I'm talking about Prada Luna Rosa. Now, this fresh, clean scent is a combination of top notes of lavender, absolute, and bitter orange, mid notes of clary sage and spearmint, and base notes of ambered absolute and ambroxy. This is one of my favorite fresh, clean scents. Just very crisp, clean, sexy, and bright. Can't go wrong with picking up Prada Luna Rosa. Now, next up, we have a citrus, woody, aromatic scent that hands down is a modern classic. Released in 2010, I'm talking about Bleu de Chanel. This is a nice, fresh, elegant scent that's a combination of notes of nutmeg, ginger, sandalwood, patchouli, mint, jasmine, grapefruit, and vetiver. If I was to describe this one, I would say elegant, fresh, and refined. And obviously a lot of guys agree. Highly complimented, one of the best sellers of 2019, Bleu de Chanel. Next up on the list, we have a warm, spicy cinnamon scent that I have to admit, not one of my favorites. But this list isn't about me, it's the most popular cologne. I'm talking about Paco Rabanne 1 Million. Now since this released in 2008, it's been a hit. And if you went out to the club over these last 10 years, you're probably gonna smell it. It's a combination of notes of orange, mint, rose, cinnamon, spices, blonde leather, patchouli, and amber. Now this one is strong, this one is sweet, and it's very masculine. This is not one to wear if you want to blend in. But obviously that hasn't stopped a lot of guys from buying it. A big hit since its release and still popular this year. Now next up, we have a fresh aquatic woody scent that's popular with the ladies and the fellas, as this one is more of a unisex scent. I'm talking about Joe Malone's Wood Sage and Sea Salt. Now this one is fresh and woody, but still light and airy. It has top notes of amber seeds, mid notes of sea salt, and base notes of sage. It's one of my absolute favorites. Fresh, aquatic, woody, smells good on the ladies and the fellas, super popular in 2019. And last but certainly not least on our list of the most popular colognes of 2019 is one of the fragrances I first started wearing when I got serious about the smell goods. I'm talking about none other than 1996's Aqua de Jo. Now this is a smooth, elegant, citrus, aromatic green scent. Now this one is a combination of notes of mandarin, bergamot, neroli, jasmine, amber, patchouli, and rosemary. Now to me, this one is timeless. It's smooth, it's elegant. Everybody loves the way this one smells. It's clean, it's masculine, and super versatile. You can wear this one year-round for almost any occasion. To me, it's a no-brainer why it's super popular in the 90s and still popular in 2019. Okay, so there you have it, the list of the most popular colognes of this year. Let me know in the comment section, which one of these are your favorites? Are some overrated? Do you think they should be popular and will continue to be popular for the years to come? As always, I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, hit that like button. Helps the channel to grow. And of course, tap the notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos we release every day at 4 p.m. Eastern. And I'll check you out tomorrow.